If I were 25 again, here's exactly what I would do with my money to make sure that it grows even more than it has already. And the first thing is you definitely have to avoid bad debt if you can. Don't take out loans that you don't think you'll be able to pay back. Avoid that high interest credit card balance. I mean, this is all very basic things, but I want to get into the investments part. So not only should you be investing as early as possible, so just putting away a little bit of the money that you earn from, say, a summer job or tutoring or babysitting or anything that you do that earns you money, you should also be investing that in the market as a whole, especially if you have a taxable brokerage that you're investing in. Because this taxable event, you're not going to want to have to change your allocations between companies all the time and having to worry about what the tax consequences are because you decided, oh, I don't want to be invested in all in Amazon anymore. I want to invest all in Google now, for example, or something like that. You want to focus more on the market as a whole, build a foundation of just owning a large basket of stocks or an ETF that gets you a broad exposure to the market as a whole so you don't have to change your allocations. You don't have to think about it all the time. And you can ignore that hype investing of, oh, buy GameStop now because everybody told me to. Oh, buy Bitcoin now. Oh, sell Bitcoin now. You don't have to think about it that much because you don't want to pay the taxes. You want to have that strong foundational growth that will grow into millions in the future. And you don't want to waste those pivotal early years that you have that will earn you the most amount of money in the long run compared to experimenting a ton, wasting money on hype investments, or even just investments that you don't completely know what it is and end up making yourself lose a bunch of money in the beginning when that time is your greatest asset at the beginning. Because even tiny bits in the beginning end up being a large amount at the end compared to putting in large amounts at the end because you didn't put anything in the beginning. So that's what I would change if I was starting over again. I would make sure that I stay in the market as a whole and make sure I know what I'm investing in because if I'm investing in a Roth, maybe you could actually broaden your scope of individual assets just because you don't have those tax consequences, but it does mean you're going to have to think about your investments a lot more.